And that is Custom there, grabbing onto Shagon Maogaji, giving him that bloody suplex, getting him to bounce along. Is this an accepted move in Dambe? Let's find out. I'm Antonio Keleke, and salute to our warriors across the globe. It was a pleasure. And there you see him, Custom, arms are stretched, same as his opponent, Shagon Maogaji. Shagon Maogaji of the House of Jamus. Custom is fighting on the cap. It's a traditional signature cap. They do their pre-match rituals, saluting themselves, a little bit of dilly-dallying here and there, making sure spectators have their gaze set on them, getting ready to go all out in this arena of fun. And he excuses himself a bit as the person of Custom, which is his comrades, and let's see what's happening. Probably trying to get a drink. Our fighters salute you always. Keep it moving. The referee tells them there is no time to waste. Other fighters are here to battle it out. It's a full house. You know, yes, you might be senior fighters, but get it going. Let's hope the fighting starts immediately. And Custom making this body move, bodying his opponent. Shagon Maogaji trying to use a very good reach there to keep his opponent at bay. Custom was recently in this match against Shagon Babangida, and that match it gave Shagon Babangida a black eye and knocking him down completely. Unexpected. There he goes, grabbing onto those wrist, and Maogaji tries to repel him, takes the cap off with a right hook, and he chases right into the crowd, and no one is trying to stop them. Okay, they finally step back and go back to the center. Let's see them replay this game again. And Custom seems to be missing his ceremonial hat. We want to make sure that Shagon Maogaji pays dearly for that. And no breaking the deadlock yet. Both fighters still sizing each other up. Custom takes a break again, and let's see why. Okay, it's a water break, and the water spritz on him by his comrades in arms there. It's taking almost a bath. Return for round 2. Let's go. And good view we have for both fighters here, up close and personal. It's like a video game, real life combat. Just wait for that lunging attack from one of them. You see Shagon Maogaji steadily advancing while our man has his hat back on for good luck. And what's going to happen next? He tries an overhand, gets slapped in the face, and he slaps him down. Whoa! That was a beautiful sight to behold. I love it when they do that. Like, that was a bloody takeout, a world-class knockout. Let's watch the replay. And Shagon Maogaji made the mistake of steadily advancing too far, and you see him just stepping back quickly, strikes an overhand direct to the face, follows through, grabs him in, and I think he wanted to push him, but fortunately for Shagon Maogaji, he got bounced off and thrown into a spectator stand there. Let's do that again. It seems to be a lovely sight to watch. Look at that beautiful blow, directly grabbing his opponent, almost tumbling him over. Look at the way he bounced on the sand, and you think it was a pillow. And it was just a pile of knockout we always wanted to watch for every time we see this Dambe game. You see Custom there getting the money rain from the big spenders. The big boys are in the house with the duffel bags, throwing money at him. And in as much ceremoniously, the loser also gets some money from fans as well. You know, literally in the past, it was used to, as a consolation for the fighter who lost to go heal his wounds. That is what it is. And Custom continues to get money from fans as a winner, who an artillery boxer is in this arena to get more fame and fortune. Please remember to subscribe to the Dambe Warriors channel, turn on the bell notification icon, follow us on all social media at Dambe Warriors. And may the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.